for my company, which is SPI Global. It's an outsourcing company. So I'm just trying to explore kung ano yung pwede naming magawa through social media or new media to help the company with the recruitment and promoting its products and services. So it's relatively new for SPI Global, and so that's why I'm here to learn.
Basically, I just want to be able to see how it works now in the blogging side of the industry. So I just want to explore and want to know more about that particular aspect of the networking or that particular aspect of this internet side.
My dream come true. It's truly an honor to be with the bloggers and learn from them and raise the level of blogging in the Philippines.
Thank you.
What better way for me to merge both passions of public relations and new media by being here in the iBlog. I'm here basically to learn new experiences from the blogger side of you, not just public relations.
Okay, it's an interesting event, especially for newbies and those not so new in blogging, because it introduces the present trends in blogging right now.
Okay, for me definitely it's very interesting to watch how the activation, the interaction and the engagement of consumers and their products are. So that's
growing naman kasi ang mga bloggers, and I think iBlog has provided inspiration for other groups to organize their own blogging summits in different parts of the country. For Metro Manila, we're going to continue organizing iBlog for as long as there's clamor for it.
Okay.